Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to encrypt the Kubernetes cluster. This task has two-step approach, as you can see that I have mentioned here also. First of all, we need to encrypt the master and node instances, and secondly we need the additional volumes attached to each of the masters to be encrypted. Now in order to encrypt the master and node instances, what we can do is we can use an encrypted AMI to build the Kubernetes cluster, so that the resulting instances will automatically be encrypted. And secondly, this part requires some tweaking in the configuration file, which I will be showing in the later part of the video. So let's see how can we get an encrypted AMI for building the cluster. So this is one that I'm going to use. In order to create this, you can just go to the AMI part in the AWS platform using public key images and search with ket. Then you will be able to see various AMIs being displayed there, which are being used by the Kubernetes community to build the cluster. I have selected this one. You can select others also and copy that, and while copying enable encryption, and note down the KMS key ARN, which we will be needing later, this entire part. So I have already copied this over here. Now if you then click copy AMI, it will create an encrypted AMI like this, which we can use. Now in order to do this, let me run the command. So using this AMI we are going to build the cluster. This is the command that I have pasted here. I have specified the image ID, so let's run the command. Now that the configuration has been created, we need to edit the cluster configuration file and add the encryption parameters for the master volumes. I mean the additional volumes which are going to be attached to the master instances. Here we go. So as you can see, this main volume and event volumes are the two volumes that we are targeting over here, as this cluster has a single master, so it has only two volumes. If there were multiple masters, then there would have been more number of volumes over here. And the same needs to be done here too. Now that we have mentioned the KMS ARN, let's implement the changes. So as you can see that the cluster is starting now, so I'm pausing the video and we'll get back to you after the cluster is ready. Hi guys, so let's check now whether the cluster is ready or not. It's not yet ready. It is getting ready actually. So let's check whether the volumes are encrypted or not. So these are the volumes being used by the Kubernetes cluster, and all of them are in encrypted form. So our task is accomplished. As you can see that the main and event volumes along with the 3 instance volumes are encrypted. So thanks very much for watching this video.